Did you know most drivers miss out on full coverage dash cams and end up with blind spots that could cost thousands in insurance claims? Welcome back to Autovated, where today we're breaking down the Vantrue N5 4-channel Wi-Fi dashcam bundle with Hardwire Kit, designed to capture your car from every angle, front, rear, inside, and even sides, with a total of 4 cameras working in harmony. I've combed through expert tests, verified buyer reviews, and competitor comparisons to give you the full picture. The Vantrue N5 promises 360-degree full guard coverage with a 158 degrees front camera, 160 degrees front cabin camera, 160 degrees rear cabin camera, and 165 degrees rear camera, recording in up to 2.7K for the front and 1080p for all other cameras. Its industry-first rear cabin camera monitors your trunk, back seats, and side windows, giving you visibility over kids, pets, luggage, or potential intruders. STARVIS 2 sensors and IR night vision ensure clear images even in low light or backlit conditions, critical if you drive Rideshare, Uber, Lyft, or operate a commercial fleet. Additional features include 5G Wi-Fi for rapid video transfer, dual GPS modules for accurate positioning, OTA firmware upgrades, and a 24/7 buffered parking mode that records moments before and after detected motion or collisions. Key features you'll appreciate include the 360-degree coverage for complete situational awareness, the enhanced night vision that keeps your license plates and cabin details sharp in the dark, the rear cabin camera for monitoring passengers and cargo, and the 24/7 smart parking protection that reduces worry when leaving your car unattended. Setting up the cameras is straightforward thanks to the included Hardwire Kit, and the Vantrue app lets you preview, edit, and share footage directly from your phone. Pros: comprehensive 360-degree coverage, excellent night vision with STARVIS 2, rear cabin monitoring, 24/7 buffered parking mode, app integration with GPS tracking. Cons: installation requires hardwiring for full parking mode functionality, slightly higher price point than some dual-channel alternatives. App can be finicky at times. Compared to the ThinkWare U1000 or Blackview DR900X, the Vantrue N5 stands out with its dedicated rear cabin camera and 4-channel simultaneous recording, though those competitors may offer slightly simpler cloud integration or sleeker software interfaces. If you prioritize total coverage over minor software conveniences, the N5 delivers more actionable footage. The build is solid with high-quality materials for long-term reliability, and Vantrue's reputation for responsive customer support gives additional peace of mind. This dashcam is ideal for families, rideshare drivers, and commercial fleet operators who want comprehensive monitoring. But if you rarely need interior coverage, a dual-channel model may suffice. If this deep dive is giving you a clearer picture and you want to stay ahead of the curve on cutting-edge dashcam tech, shift into gear and hit like, subscribe, and the bell so you never miss an Autovated review. Verdict: strong option. If you value complete 360-degree protection, enhanced night vision, and thorough cabin monitoring, the Vantrue N5 is one of the stronger choices in its class. For those looking for fewer cameras or a simpler setup, the ThinkWare U1000 or Blackview DR900X are solid alternatives. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to grab this bundle is in the comments and description. Got questions or already own it? Drop your thoughts below. Until next time, stay driven and stay autovated.